Hi there. So yesterday we got the new tax regime. So few addition to the existing new tax regime. So here in this video we'll just consider the new tax regime. I'll make another video for the old tax regime. So yesterday on 1st February we got the new tax slab as per the new tax regime. So this is what we got in the budget 2025, and this is applicable only for financial year 2025 to 26 onwards, not for the current financial year. So current financial year is year 2024 to 2025. So we'll be still availing this tax structure if you are into new tax regime. So this is the PDF document directly from the government side. So there are so many videos in the YouTube. You can come and see the details how it's the tax segregation is going from 12 lakhs to 24 lakhs onwards. So I'll give you a basic fundamental change and where you can refer to the genuine document. So and how to calculate your tax for your salary. Don't go with all these GAN and everything. Don't go for Excel. Just copy the document, put it to any AI, ChatGPT or Google AI Studio. Put your salary. That will be private to you. Get your salary structure and get your tax breakups. So before going there, so I'll just I have taken these two tables to Excel just to show you what is the difference. So you can see this is the tax what we are paying earlier, even though we are paying for the financial year 24 to 2025. Okay, so this is the new tax regime which is proposed yesterday on 1st February 2025, which will be applicable for financial 2025 to 26 onwards. Okay, so even you will go for the tax filing in 2025, that would be assessment year. So I'll just mention assessment year 2025 to 26. The tax you are paying, that is financial year 2024 to 2025. Okay, so this will follow the same tax structure, this one what was earlier. Now in assessment year 2026 to 27, which will be financial year 2025 to 26, upcoming financial. So here we can go with this tax regime. If you are going with new tax regime, then you have to pay with these tax slabs. Okay, so this is just a basic info, and the government side you can refer. You can directly go to the income tax department website. So here you can see, if we come here for the quick access, we'll find budget 2025. Click here, click on this FAQs of budget 2025. So this will lead you to download this PDF. You have all the details here. So this is the thing you used to see in all the TV channels and YouTube videos. So this is the structure. So people have I've seen people are calculating till 24. So here is a more brief about the tax under new tax regime till 50 lakhs. And you have other questions, the basic deductions. If your income is more than 24 lakhs, then the margin relief will not be applicable. Those details, everything will find here. Okay, now coming to your tax calculation. So how can you calculate for your tax? Okay, let's say your package is 32 lakhs or 20 lakhs or XYG, whatever it is. So you can download this PDF, go to AI, Google AI Studio, attach here. So you have to go and upload the file. You can use this one or this AI or a ChatGPT also, that is fine, but I found this is more convenient, and it's providing the more details and all the calculations. So attach that downloaded PDF, that is from the government side, that is genuine. And let's say your salary is 32 lakhs. Let's calculate. So simply just give a command, calculate the detailed income tax for the package, whatever your salary you are drawing using the document. So now you see I have assumed 32 lakhs somebody's package. So let's say how it's calculating. So basic deduction is going for 75k of deduction. So taxable is 31.25 lakhs. Then it's applying this new tax regime slabs, and this is for the next financial year. Again, I'm saying. So this is how this is. This is the same thing you can find in the document. So it has referred to this part, the new proposed tax slab, and it's calculating your uh, taxes. It has applied all your tax slab, and for each slab how much tax you are paying, and in the end it's adding up all those taxations. And so this is the level. So let's say for a 32 lakhs package, uh, you have to pay tax as 5 lakhs 17,500 rupees. Okay, so this is how you can use this document and this video as a reference to calculate your tax for your salary. And going forward, if you'll come down also here, if we'll ask uh, it to calculate monthly payable taxes, so this is the annual what is coming, and it has divided by 12 and 43 125, that is our monthly taxes. I have calculated from for certain scale of pay scales like 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Okay, I'll show you that table also. How are we getting benefited from this new tax? Okay. Using Google AI Studio, so I have calculated the tax for salary starting from 12 lakhs to till 70 lakhs. So this is the data what I got. So here you can see this the both are new tax regime calculation. Only difference is this is the earlier calculation, which is for the current financial year, and this will be the calculation for the upcoming financial year after the budget on 1st February. So here you can see the difference what we are getting. So we have calculated the difference. So you can see so it kind of mostly beneficiary to the lower end packages. So for 12 lakhs package, if you can consider for anybody's package, so before you are paying 1,12,500 rupees for the income tax, but with the new proposed tax slab you will pay zero. So there is a straight benefit of 1,12,500 rupees. But as your salary goes high, there is no much difference, you can see here. So let's say 30 lakhs, so we calculated for 32 lakhs. Let's say somebody's package is 30 lakhs, so yeah, definitely getting 2 lakhs 11,500 rupees. So but here you can see once you are crossing a certain threshold limit, you see the difference, there is no difference. So kind of above 30 lakhs for any package it's coming as 2 lakhs 11,500 rupees as a saving. But at least we got some relaxation in the taxation with the new proposed slab. Okay, so this is just for a reference video. You can follow the same instruction. You can download the document and provide it to the Google AI Studio or ChatGPT. You can get your tax calculated. Thank you for watching.